Subscribe now and press the bell icon.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Techmechos channel. Thank you for watching my another next tutorial video, and today we discuss about TeamViewer. What is TeamViewer and how to use TeamViewer to remotely control any computer, PC or laptops. So, let's begin the quick tutorial. Stay tuned. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe my channel and watch the video till end, and also don't forget to hit like button at the end of video. Let's us first know what TeamViewer is. TeamViewer is a free computer software by which with the help of internet you can connect to any computer, PC or laptops at any time from home or office. So let's begin. Why do we use TeamViewer? With the use of TeamViewer, you can remotely access any computers or laptops. For example, you can remotely control your office computers from home if you have some remaining office works to do. You can also share or receive files from any PC or laptops that you have been connected. You can also solve your laptop's problem with the expert help. You can also help your friends in solving their laptop problems. So let's learn how to use TeamViewer. For this you have to download and install TeamViewer. To download and install TeamViewer, go to google.com, type in search TeamViewer, click on the official website, click on download TeamViewer, choose your operating system. Download it. After installing it, you also have to install TeamViewer to other computer which you want to access, and also have a proper internet connection on both computers or laptops. To remotely control other computer or laptops, you need to enter partner's ID and partner's password. Make sure both the computers or laptops must be connected on an internet connection. After both computer or laptops are connected, there displays a dialog box showing access to partner's computer or laptops. Now, you can share or receive files from your partner's computer or laptop, or you can also fix the problem arising on your partner's computer or laptop by accessing it from your home at your comfort zone. So that's it guys, that's what is TeamViewer and how to use TeamViewer to remotely access any computers or PC or laptops. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. If you wanna watch more videos like this, always do subscribe and show us the love by sharing this content. You can also ask question, suggestion or doubts. We will definitely replay each and every comment you leave. This is Nitesh Kumar Shah from Techmechos. See you guys on next one. Peace out.